Hello friends, welcome to David's Techno. Today I'm gonna teach you how to add studio effects to your face in Zoom. So first things first, you open Zoom and click on new meeting or any meeting you join like it's connected. You can join any meeting, some kind of meeting. Let's first join with computer audio. And first you have to click on this arrow which stop video, or if your camera is on nobody. So this choose virtual background or video filter. Click on any. I'm just clicking on video filter because remember I made a video on this also where you can add effects like this. Black and white. Lights. I told you about this, but this is video filters. And today I'm going to teach you about these studio effects. It's just a new release. So over here you click on studio effects. Earlier it was in beta version, but now you have everything. Like I can change my eyebrows. You can use this in some concert, online concert, change your eyebrows. But I want my own one. Change opacity, you can change the color. You can just do like this and put a mustache and click on close and you can show a funny face like that. So thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel. And next time I have an interesting idea. I look so hilarious. Let's just turn this off for a second. I don't want my other meetings to be like this. Haha. So bye guys. Meet you in my next video. Bye.